Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious burrito sandwich. First, select a large, fresh flour tortilla, ideally 10 to 12 inches across. Gently warm it for about 15 seconds in a pan or microwave. This makes it soft and easy to fold without tearing. Lay the warmed tortilla flat on a clean surface, preparing it for the exciting fillings to come. Now, let's build our burrito sandwich. Begin by spreading a thin, even layer of your favorite sauce, perhaps refried beans or a zesty salsa, across the tortilla. Next, add a generous half-cup of cooked rice, leaving a 2-inch border at the top and bottom. Then, layer about 4 ounces of your main protein, like seasoned chicken or savory beef, directly over the rice. To enhance the flavor and texture, sprinkle about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese evenly over your protein layer. Now, it's time for fresh toppings. Add vibrant ingredients like diced tomatoes, crisp shredded lettuce, or creamy sliced avocado. Remember to keep all your delicious fillings centered, leaving plenty of space on the sides for a perfect, secure fold. Finally, let's master the fold. First, fold the bottom edge of the tortilla up and over the fillings, tucking it in tightly to secure everything. Next, fold in both side edges towards the center, overlapping them slightly to create a neat package. Then, roll the burrito tightly from the bottom up, creating a compact, sealed, and ready-to-enjoy burrito sandwich.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.